Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and this is about 16 ounces of water onto this diatomaceous earth mat. This is a pretty interesting bath mat I just bought about probably, 3 or 4 weeks ago. I love it, and it's been keeping pretty clean too, because as you can see, it's absorbing all that 16 ounces of water into the edges of this mat, and it's pretty neat. Now, why I got this is because this is a non-slip mat. On the bottom of it, you could see that the water is actually going to the outskirts of it, but on the bottom, it's absolutely dry. And it has like this rubberish, neoprene-like feeling to it. It's like a big mouse pad. If you ever had a mouse pad before, the top of it, this diatomaceous earth top is a slightly, it's not gritty, but it's basically, it has a good friction to it. So when you step on it, you won't really slip and won't really feel wet. The water basically gets absorbed into the mat underneath that first surface. So when you step on it, it feels relatively dry. Now, it's taking a while to absorb it because this is a lot of water. Usually when I step out of the shower, it absorbs it very quickly because it's nice and dry. But as you can see, it absorbs it underneath that first layer, and then it goes into that membrane. Now, as that membrane gets super saturated, it will leak from the sides of the mat. But overall, the bottom of the mat is still dry and is non-slip, and the top of the mat is still relatively dry, maybe a little damp or moist, but it's also non-slip, which is awesome. Now, how I wash it, I basically use detergent to wash the surface of it every week, and I also basically rinse and shower that everything off of it, so all the dirt or dust that gets accumulated on it gets clean, and it looks pretty good after 4 weeks still, so it's pretty cool. Now, I just let it hang for about a good day or so for all that water to come out of the membrane or of this mat, and it dries pretty quickly, roughly in about a few hours or so. I would think I just leave it out for the day and let it dry, and it's pretty much dry by the end of the day when I shower again. So pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.